Welcome to class. In today's class, we are going to be solving this indicial equation, that is, indices equation, which is 4 raised by 3y minus 6 equals 1. 4 raised by what? 3y minus 6 equals 1. Now, don't get confused. This is a very simple indicial equation, very simple indices equation. How do I go about it? Now, the first I'm going to look out for are the bases. We have 4 here, we have 1 here. They are different, right? So the next step I'm going to take is to ensure that 1 is in the power of 4. Okay? Let me make 1 the power of 4. So what power of 4 will actually give me what? 1. Now, going by the law of indices, one of the laws of indices, which state that a number raised by 0 equals to 1. So it means if I say 3 raised by 0 equals 1, and also 4 raised by 0 is what? Equals to 1. So I'm going to rewrite this equation like this. That will be 4 raised by 3y minus 6 equals 4 raised by 0. This is still the same thing with 1. Okay, so don't get confused. So with that, once my bases are the same, okay, once we have the same base on the two sides of the equation, all I need to do is just to what? Equate the powers. Equal the powers, and that'll be 3y minus 6 equals what? 0. Are you following? And from this, I'm just going to pick what my like times. This is a linear equation. Are you following now? Good. So that'll be 3y equals to what? I'll bring my 0, and where this minus 6 crosses to the other side, it turns to what? Plus. And what do I have here? I have 3y, okay, equals to 0 plus 6 is what? Obviously what? 6. And at this point, you can easily guess what we're going to do, right? Very simple, divide both sides by the coefficient of y, okay? And that is 3. And when you divide both sides, okay, 3 can go in 6 how many times? 2. And you have your y equals to 2. We have succeeded in solving this indicial equation. I'm sure you've learned something today's class. And I can't wait to see my next class. And until then, bye.